Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video I'm gonna show you guys how you can use internet on the PlayStation 5. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on the PlayStation 5 and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here, as you can see guys, you're gonna find your games and applications. Right here in the top, you're gonna find games and also media. And here you're gonna find all of these sections. Right here you're gonna find search, settings, and right here you're gonna find your profile icon. So basically guys, right now if you want to use internet, first of all go ahead and click on settings, and then once you do that you're gonna be right here in this page. So basically guys, right here go ahead and search for network. Once you find network, go ahead and click on it, and then here you're gonna find two sections: connection status and settings. Go ahead and click on settings, and then as you can see guys, if you find this option off, make sure you enable this option, connect to internet. And then if you didn't set up your internet connection yet, click on set up internet connection, and then right here you're gonna find the list that includes all of the available Wi-Fi networks. Go ahead and choose any network that you want from here, enter the code, and then you're gonna be able to connect to it. If you want to test your internet connection, go ahead and click on connection status, and then here as you can see guys, the option to test your connection will be the first. Just go ahead and click on it, and then just wait for your PlayStation to test your Wi-Fi network. Once it finishes, it will give you all of the results. Right here also you're gonna find view connection status and view PlayStation network status. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.